Let's start with how to get add-ons. You can get add-ons for all of the Google apps, but looking specifically at Slides, you would go right here next to Tools is Add-ons, go to Get Add-ons, and then you can search for whatever add-ons you want. The first add-on I want to go over is called Slide Background. If you watched my last video, I showed you some sites you can go to get templates. This allows you to create more interesting backgrounds on your own. So you can select a color theme, and let's select this one. And then they have different options. The original is great. Then you can try hexagons, waves. Hit generate, and you can see what it looks like here. And then you can choose to add it as a background, or if you insert it as an image, then you have a little more control over moving it. But there's lots of different, see how I can move it on that one versus having in the background. But you can already see how this makes my slideshows look unique and not just using the boring themes that come with it. So the next add-on is going to be something called Free Icons, Photos, and Illustrations, and it's exactly as the title describes. There's icons, photos, and illustrations that you can use. So you can, for the icons, you can go ahead. They have some different kinds that you can look for, and you can change the color. And of course, then you can just search. Go ahead and change the color. So let's say I just want an apple for my Eating Right slide. And then when I find the one I want, I just insert it. Okay. And then same thing with photos and illustrations. The illustrations are really neat. They have a lot of different artists that created some artwork, and you can sort by categories on here as well. So if you scroll down, if I just want to look for food, then I can see all these different illustrations of different kinds of food that I can add. You'll also notice down here that there's a little blurb about how we want to go ahead and give them credit. So I'm going to go ahead and actually I'll add a new text box here so that I could give credit for the illustrations. I just have to copy the link and paste that. The next add-on I want to look at is called Slides Pro, and this one has a lot of different functions to it. It has, the thing I use the most are the wizards, where you can get icons, images, but they also have GIFs and stickers, another way to put in YouTube videos, charts, and maps. Another neat thing they have on here is sticky notes, which I think are really cool. You could add to something if you're making a game or just want to make something stand out. And then I always like to use this. It's really easy to get to different GIFs to add to your presentations. The next add-on I want to share is called Murf, M-U-R-F. And this is a tool that allows you to add narrations with different voices to your slideshow. So for example, I've already put in a narration for my first slide.
Healthy habits.
And you don't have to just put in what the text is on your slide. You might have a set of instructions, something like this. Okay, and then all I have to do is then refresh it, and then it'll read it.
Read these healthy eating tips.
You can use a different type of voice. There are a couple that you have to have the pro account for, but you can still get plenty with just the ones that we have. And then once you're all finished with all of your slides that have the narrations, you have it build a video. Once you've clicked that button and build the video, you can view it. You do have to have the pro version to download it, but you can still view it through a browser, even with the free version. The last add-on I want to share, I think I may have shared this one before, but it is so much fun, it's worth doing it again. And that is called Magic Rainbow Unicorns. So if you've never seen this, it's just a way for you to change your text, and your text can be any font, but you highlight the text and then go ahead and choose your rainbow colors. I'll just go with original to start, hit start the rainbow magic, and now you have extra special text for your slides.